I have this for you, and you are gonna keep it because I put a lot of hours to do it. Ma? Mamaya na yung pagkain. Hindi, joke. If you want to eat. Okay. No, if you want to eat, eat. I want to say to you a lot of things about me that I never said to you in 15 years of my life. So please, Mom, listen to me. And let's have a normal conversation that we never had. Never tayo nagkaka-conversation, di ba? Sa bahay, lagi ko may ginagawa. Hindi tayo nag-uusap-usap. No. Hindi pa nga. Tapos nag-iiyak ako, okay? Naiyak na. Let's have a conversation without shouting and without fighting. I just want to say I love you. And that I don't think I have said or that I have shown it enough. You are my mother, and I will always love you. And I'm sorry that I don't have enough patience with you now. Try to understand me sometimes, because I'm growing up, and I'm a teenager. I want to tell you everything, but sometimes I feel like you're treating me like a baby. But now, Mom, I want to tell you that I'm ready to be treated like a binata. And of course, I will be ready to get all of my responsibilities, because that's what you always wanted for me, right? Maging responsable ako. I just want to make you proud of me. And this is one of the reasons why I'm here in Pinoy Big Brother house. I don't want to run anymore from your chinelas and ride hiding in my room. I want to start to be more mature than that. I love you, and remember that always. Even what happened. I'm so proud to be your son. And also that I'm so proud that you are my mother.
Hindi, anak. Sorry din, anak, kung minsan nalabis ako na sa sobrang pagmamahal sa'yo.
It's okay. Just now I understand that you do it just because you love me. I'm sorry.
Sabi mo, tatandang ko aking inagawang ano. Para sa'yo yun, ano.
I'm sorry talaga. You want to dance?
Kuya! Masaya po. Napakagaan po, kuya. Dahil alam ko naman pong darating po yung panahon na talagang magkakausap kami ng ayos ng anak ko.
Ang sumunod na sorpresa ay hindi na para kay Mommy Annie, kundi para kay Marco.
Marco, sei sempre nei nostri cuori, ti vogliamo un mondo di bene. Bravo, continua così, papà è orgoglioso di te. Ti vogliamo un mondo di bene, Marco. Papà ti pensa sempre. Sei bravissimo, Marco.
He said that he's so proud of me. But parang finally po, after 15 years na hinihintay ko sabihin niya yun. Narinig ko po yun.
Dumating na ang oras para magpaalam sa iyong ina.
Dito lang lagi si Mama. mahal. Lagi magpapakabalik, mahal. So, para sa papa mo.